investment banking stands at the crossroads of finance, strategy, and business acumen, serving as a crucial bridge between those who seek capital and those who provide it. At its core, investment banking is about facilitating transactions that drive corporate growth, transformation, and value creation. Whether it's through mergers and acquisitions, initial public offerings, or private equity investments, the field demands a unique blend of technical expertise, market insight, and relationship management. The journey into investment banking often begins with understanding the primary services the industry offers. These include advising companies on mergers and acquisitions, M&A, helping businesses raise capital through equity or debt issuance, and providing strategic guidance for major financial decisions. Investment banks also play a pivotal role in private equity, acting as intermediaries and advisors in deals that reshape entire industries. Mergers and acquisitions are among the most high-profile activities in investment banking. In an M&A transaction, investment bankers evaluate the strategic rationale for a merger or acquisition, analyze the financial implications, and help negotiate terms between buyers and sellers. The process starts with identifying potential targets or buyers, conducting due diligence to assess financial health and risks, and structuring deals that maximize value for their clients. Success in M&A requires not only financial modeling skills, but also the ability to navigate complex negotiations and regulatory environments. Private equity, another cornerstone of investment banking, involves investing in companies, often with the goal of improving operations and profitability, before eventually selling the business for a profit. Investment bankers assist private equity firms in sourcing deals, conducting due diligence, and structuring investments. They analyze target companies' financial statements, market positions, and growth prospects to determine whether an investment is likely to yield attractive returns. The due diligence process is rigorous, encompassing everything from legal and regulatory checks to detailed financial analysis. Initial public offerings, or IPOs, represent a transformative moment for companies seeking to access public capital markets. Investment banks guide companies through the complex process of going public, which involves preparing financial disclosures, setting an appropriate valuation, and marketing the offering to potential investors. The process begins with a thorough assessment of the company's readiness for public scrutiny, followed by the preparation of a prospectus and roadshow presentations. Investment bankers work closely with company management to determine the optimal timing, pricing, and structure of the offering, balancing the needs of the company with market conditions and investor appetite. Credit analysis and debt issuance are equally important facets of investment banking. Companies often need to raise debt to finance operations, acquisitions, or expansion, and investment banks help structure and market these debt offerings to institutional investors. Credit analysis involves assessing a company's ability to meet its financial obligations, analyzing cash flows, capital structure, and industry risks. Investment bankers craft compelling cases for investors, ensuring that the terms of the debt are attractive while still meeting the client's financing needs. A key skill in investment banking is financial modeling, the art and science of building detailed projections of a company's future performance. Models are used to value companies, assess the impact of potential transactions, and inform strategic decisions. The most common valuation methods include discounted cash flow analysis, comparable company analysis, and precedent transaction analysis. Each method has its strengths and limitations, and investment bankers must be adept at selecting the right approach for each situation. Relationship management is another critical dimension of investment banking. Success in the industry depends on building trust with clients, understanding their strategic objectives, and providing tailored advice that goes beyond numbers. Investment bankers serve as confidants and advisors, helping clients navigate uncertainty and make informed decisions in high-stakes situations. The culture of investment banking is fast-paced and demanding, characterized by long hours, intense competition, and high expectations. Junior bankers often begin their careers as analysts, learning the ropes through hands-on experience with financial modeling, pitch book preparation, and deal execution. As they progress, they take on more responsibility, managing client relationships and leading teams through complex transactions. Ethics and integrity are paramount in investment banking. The industry operates under intense regulatory scrutiny, and maintaining the trust of clients, investors, and the public is essential. Investment bankers must adhere to strict confidentiality standards and avoid conflicts of interest, ensuring that their advice is always in the best interest of their clients. Technology is rapidly transforming investment banking, automating routine tasks and enabling more sophisticated data analysis. However, human judgment remains irreplaceable, especially when it comes to understanding client needs, assessing risk, and navigating the nuances of deal-making. The future of investment banking will likely see a continued blending of technology and human expertise, creating new opportunities for those who can adapt and innovate. For those aspiring to enter the field, investment banking offers a challenging and rewarding career path. The work is intellectually stimulating, financially rewarding, and provides a unique vantage point on the world of business and finance. Success requires a strong foundation in finance and accounting, analytical rigor, and the ability to communicate complex ideas clearly and persuasively. In summary, investment banking is about much more than numbers and transactions. It's about shaping the future of companies, industries, and economies. Whether advising on a transformative merger, guiding a company through its IPO, or helping private equity firms unlock value, investment bankers play a vital role in the global financial ecosystem. Mastery of the technical, strategic, and interpersonal aspects of the business is essential for anyone seeking to excel in this dynamic and influential industry. Through dedication, continuous learning, and a commitment to excellence, those who enter investment banking can make a lasting impact, not only on their clients, but on the broader world of business and finance. The art of investment banking lies in balancing analysis with intuition, risk with reward, and ambition with integrity, a blend that defines the very best in the business.